in some situations, you will want to use a variable's value inside a string. For example, you might want to use two variables to represent a car's model and make, and respectively, and then combine those values to display some car's full model, right? So now we will make this car here, car make, and in this case let's actually make it BMW, and now car model, and here we will make it 500 series, 5R series, and let's actually make the year, right? 2014. And now we will make it car here. We will make it F. This is the format. And car make. Oops, sorry, first the car make. And after that, we will enter the car model. Car model, right? And as you can see, that's it. Now we will print this. Print car. Let's print this. And as you can see here, BMW 5R 2014. And to insert the variable's value into string, place a letter F. Place a letter F immediately before the opening quotation mark here. That's what we did here, right? We placed the letter F, and after that put the braces around the name or names of any variable you want to use inside a string, and Python will replace each variable within its value when its string is displayed. In this case, it's, as you can see, the inside braces we have car model, we have space here, this is a space here, and that we also have space here. Oops, not here, here. And we also have car model, which is our car model was 5R 2014, and this is it, right? And these strings are called, so these strings here, these strings are called the F strings here. F strings. These strings are called F strings. So this F here means format. Format, because Python formats the strings by replacing the name of any variable in braces with its value. So the output of this code will be this here. You can change these variables and values as well here. So you can do a lot with F strings. For example, you can use F strings to compose complete message using information associated with a variable, as like this. For example, we have a car, right? So we can also do this, right? So my message here, it's gonna be F Typhoon drives a car, and that's it. Now let's let's use this uppercase, and as you can see here, oops, we have to change the car, so to my message, and here Typhoon drives a BMW 5R 2014. So that's a full name. This is the full message is used in a sentence that reads that sends the user that what Typhoon drives, and we have the variables that used with the F strings. You can also use F strings to compose a message and then assign the entire message to variable, as we did here. And now we will here, let's actually do another here. And here we have my message Typhoon, here my bigger message here, and we will do again. So F here, my message, firstly my message, and he crashed it. And here we will do print again my bigger message here, and as you can see, Typhoon drives a BMW 5R 2014 and he crashed it.